Your team is getting ad hoc work while performing transition activities. Which of the following scheduling approach may work best? Option A, iterative scheduling. Option B, on-demand scheduling. Option C, critical path scheduling. Option D, rolling wave planning. You can pause, think. Your team is getting ad hoc work while performing transition activity. How do you facilitate scheduling when things are emerging ad hoc? Which possible option might help you in doing that? Okay, so I pick up option B as my choice. Let me explain. So the idea here is what I'm reading from the question, my way of reading is that we are in a transitioning space, which means our deliverables are going to the end users and they are using it. And during that particular time, things are coming here and there. Some user is liking something, some user is asking something. So my team is getting ad hoc work from here and there. So ad hoc work indicates that I can't plan it in advance. I can't say for this week, we are going to do this all because the work will come ad hoc, or I cannot make a whole schedule for my transitioning thing at a very activity level details. So that's the situation I am facing. Now, in such situation, on-demand scheduling is a good option. So on-demand scheduling is that we create a pull-based system where the work becomes visible and we have a mechanism of showing the workflow. And based on the capacity available, based on the priority of incoming item, the team or the individuals can pick up the work and get things moving. So usually you see the example of Kanban boards. The Kanban way of working, lean way of working are usually explained when we talk about on-demand scheduling. So you have a mechanism where work is displayed. You have a mechanism to show that how many items can be at this particular stage in a given point in time by putting work in progress limits. And whenever the capacity is available, the work move to the next stage. And by doing it, we finish the work. Yeah. So if some urgent issue comes in, we know how to classify something urgent and how we see where the capacity is available. We may have a policy or rule associated with such kind of work coming in, and that helps us in doing a better responding, or that helps us in better responding to things which are coming very ad hoc, in a very ad hoc manner. So for me, in this question, I will pick up the option B, on-demand scheduling.